Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. I am Jamie Beth. Today I am so excited because I'm going to start doing some Halloween looks, and I cannot wait to do these looks for you. I do have quite a few looks that I'm going to be doing over the next month or so to celebrate October, which is my absolute favorite month of the whole entire year. I love it when this time comes around each year, and I'm so excited to be doing some cool little costume Halloween idea looks for you guys. So we are going to start off this trail of looks with a Halloween look that is it's going to be part of my face. It's going to be like a normal glam type of look, where the other part of my face is going to be kind of split down with a pumpkin kind of showing through. A lot of the looks that I'm going to be recreating on my channel over the next handful of weeks is photos that I saw on Pinterest. So I don't necessarily have names of who originally did these photos. So if I can find it, I will link that in my description area, because I definitely did not think of these looks all on my own. These are looks that I got from photos that I saw that kind of inspired me to do this. So we are going to start off this pumpkin look today. And with the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to try to do it with white because I don't want to go in with black right now, but I'm going to do kind of just line out where I'm going to have my face looking like it normally does, and where I want to have the pumpkin face kind of showing through. So we're going to just kind of sketch out where we want everything first. If you see me looking down, I have a few little mirrors going on right now to help me with this look. I'm going to start off by drawing a line down here to separate where I want that pumpkin face. Oh geez. Hold on a second. Okay. Where I want that pumpkin face kind of cracking through my skin. So it's kind of going to be like what is beneath the surface type of look. And I actually have a couple of these that I'm going to do where you're going to see a different creature or whatnot underneath what my normal face looks like. I don't know how to describe it, but it should be fun. And I think that's how I want it. Maybe I want it to come down just a little bit more. See, now this is where it gets to be a little bit fun, because you can always, if you want to change how you want that, you can just erase it and start. I think I want it to come down just a little bit more. Okay, we're going to do it like that. So I'm going to start with doing the glam side. So we're going to just kind of do makeup like I normally do it. I'm not really going to talk a whole lot. I'm going to try to get that part done quickly because I want to really focus on how I'm going to do that pumpkin side for you. So I'm going to go ahead and get that moving and shaking. I'm only going to prime this part of my face. I'm just going to kind of prime it all. And now I'm going to just go ahead and put makeup on like I would normally do it. Okay, so I have the glam side of my face already done, and we're going to go ahead and do the pumpkin part that's kind of peeking through this broken skin. So what I'm going to do next is take some water activated body paint, and I'm using this Mehron palette right here. And we're going to use that orange color on the end, and I'm going to take that and put that all over my face, and then we're going to go in and add more of the black and the shading and whatnot. So we're going to go ahead and get this put on first, and then we'll go in with more of the details. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. So what I'm going to do next now is kind of draw out the pumpkin features. We're going to start with the eye. We're going to do a little bit of a triangle, and then I'm going to fill that in with black. So I'm going to take a black eye pencil, and we're just going to kind of draw out that triangle. And I'm also going to put a little triangle on my nose, and we're going to fill in. So the things that I am trying, just kind of roughly drawing on the face now, we are going to fill in with black later. We're going to go ahead now and fill this in with black eyeshadow. And try to get it as like black as possible. And then what we will do after is we're going to use black eyeshadow to kind of just deepen that up. And we are going to start shading in that little line area. So I'm going to take my black liner and I'm going to just start tracing that little white area that I did. So there we go, we got our little black line, and we are going to add a little bit of shading to that. And we're just going to take our black shadow and kind of just create a little bit of a shadow here. Okay, so now that we have like the little basis to our crack going on, we will add a little bit more detail to that in a few minutes. What I'm going to do now is do the little pumpkin like lines that you see on any old pumpkin, and then we are going to carve out the mouth area. But I would like to do the lines going down first before I do the mouth area. So we're going to go ahead and take a brush and we're going to add those lines. And you just want to kind of lightly shade these lines down your face. And when you get to the cheek area, you can go a little bit straighter up top. You want to kind of curve it coming out of the cheek area to make it seem like a round little pumpkin. So now that we have our little lines drawn in, we are going to go ahead and do the mouth area. And we're going to take our pencil again and kind of just draw the mouth on like a normal jack-o'-lantern mouth. So let's go ahead and get that mouth on. And then once you kind of have the outline of the pumpkin mouth, you are going to go ahead and shade that all in. So now that we have our mouth like kind of filled in, I'm going to go ahead and, with powder, and fill that in a little bit more. So what we're going to go do next, now that I have my little pumpkin mouth put in, we are going to go ahead and just kind of add a little bit more detail to this area, make it look a little bit more creepy, and shade, kind of darken up certain areas of the makeup so that it, gives a little bit of a, scary pumpkin look. And I'm just kind of filling in some of the orange areas with some dark shadow, just kind of make this look a little bit more creepy. Okay, last but not least, I'm going to add a little bit of white to this look. Along the cut, just to kind of add a little bit more contrast to it. I'm not going like crazy, but I kind of just want to keep with that. It looks like my skin peeled back and there's this like crazy demonic pumpkin showing through. And then I'm going to take my smudger brush and just kind of lightly go along that cut just to create a little bit of contrast. in just certain areas, not the whole thing. So that is the first of my handful of Halloween looks I'm going to show you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Remember to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, as well as the little notification bell next to it to be notified of all of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!